Welcome to how to take checkbook control of my IRA funds. Today we want to talk to you about three different topics. The first topic we want to discover is what does the government say about the asset classes you choose to invest in. We also want to discover what does the government say about who your IRA can engage in a transaction with. And then finally we're going to talk about how do I take checkbook control of my retirement funds. How can I have a checkbook in my hands that controls all of my retirement accounts? A little bit about myself. I've been in the industry for over 13 years in retirement services. I have a designation from the American Bankers Association called the Certified IRA Service Professional. I manage my own checkbook LLCs with multiple alternative assets in them. I have rental properties, condos, raw land, precious metals, car loans, and promissory notes, many different types of alternative assets that I manage through my own checkbook IRA. I've educated hundreds of clients on the power of self-directed retirement accounts and the power of taking checkbook control of your retirement funds. I want to make sure that everybody understands that I'm not here to sell you any investments. Here at Blue Diamond Documents, we don't give investment advice. We don't sell or endorse any products. All this information is for educational purposes only. We encourage you to consult your accountant or financial planner before entering into any type of investment plan. So let's discover what's out. You know that 99% of all retirement accounts is invested in stocks or mutual funds, some sort of stock market based products. 99% of all retirement accounts is in that asset class, stocks or mutual funds. And are they on a list that says that that's an allowable asset? Well, you know, there's no such thing as a list that says what you're allowed to invest in. There's only a list that tells us what to stay away from, and this is it: collectibles and life insurance. Your IRA should not invest in collectibles or life insurance. The government has defined a few collectible items like artwork or antiques, rugs, metals, gems, stamps or coins, or alcoholic beverages. They have put an asterisk next to the word coins and metals because there are certain metals and coins that are allowed. That's why people are investing in precious metals like gold or silver. Certain metals do meet the criteria that the government has laid out. Your precious metal dealer would know which ones you should be able to invest in an IRA account. And then the government has told us not to invest in our own life insurance policy. Your IRA shouldn't be the beneficiary of your death, and it should not pay for your life insurance. These are the two asset classes that are out: collectibles and life insurance. So then, who is out? Internal Revenue Code 4975 says that an IRA should not engage in a transaction with anyone or anything considered related to my IRA. So I need to figure out who's related to my retirement account. Some examples of prohibited transactions between a disqualified person and an IRA are: and a disqualified person is someone related or something related to my IRA. The transactions we're talking about is there's no selling, there's no exchanging, there's no leasing, lending money or extending credit, no personal use, and no self-dealing in an IRA account. Your IRA is meant for your future. It's not meant for today. You should not benefit from a transaction your IRA is doing. So who's on the list of people that are out? Who's related to your IRA? Well, the first one's you and your spouse. And then it's your children and your grandchildren, your parents and your grandparents, and all their spouses. It's lineal ascendants and descendants and all their spouses. These people are out. It also includes any fiduciary of your IRA or anyone providing services to your IRA. That could be like your financial planner, someone that's giving a service to you for the purpose of investing. Your IRA should not engage in a transaction with that person. Then it goes on to say that any business, estate, trust, corporation, or any entity at all that you or any prohibited person owns 50% or more of. If you own a business more than 50% of that business, your IRA should not engage in a transaction with them. Now, investing in businesses like small startups or any types of business, there's no problem investing in such a thing, but not one that you own 50% or more of. So we saw what's out. So then what's in? Well, the list is pretty long. Rental properties, you can own real estate in all types of ways. You can buy short sales, foreclosures, commercial properties, raw land, fix and flips, deeds of trust, the list goes on and on. You could even buy rental properties in foreign countries. Again, other investments that are very hot today are gold and silver, foreign currency, life settlements. Again, the list goes on, and whatever your investment strategy is, whatever you're good at making money at, as long as it's not collectibles and life insurance, why aren't you using your retirement account to invest in that? So how do I get checkbook control in my retirement account? The first thing you need to do is open an IRA with a custodian that will allow this type of asset in your retirement account. The second is you're going to hire a competent document preparer to create your LLC for you. And third, you're going to name yourself as the manager of this LLC, and you name your IRA as the member of this LLC. You see, membership means where did the money come from? Who owns this LLC? Well, that would be your retirement account. Your retirement account is going to invest in this LLC that you're the manager of, and you're going to control it. The fourth thing you do is you get a tax ID number for your LLC, because this is a legitimate LLC, a legitimate business that you're creating, that your IRA is investing in, and you're going to manage. Because you never want to use your Social Security number, so you must get a tax ID number for this LLC. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to find out from your custodian what they require. You're going to provide them with whatever it is they require, and Blue Diamond Documents is going to help you get those required documents to them. They then will send you a check payable to this LLC. Your IRA invested in this LLC, and they made a check out of your retirement account payable to the LLC. Now you as the manager, you're going to take that check to your local bank, and you're going to open a checking account in the name of your LLC using the tax ID number that you just got for your LLC. The bank then turns around and hands you a checkbook, and guess what? You now have checkbook control of your retirement funds. Just a few more things on checkbook control. All the prohibited rules still apply. You can't personally benefit from any investment your LLC gets involved in. No prohibited person should benefit from your LLC's purchase. You should use a competent document preparer to form your LLC like Blue Diamond Documents. We can help you get your LLC formed, and will provide your custodian with everything that they need. Have fun and grow your retirement wealth. Take control of your retirement account. It's time for you to get back the control of your own retirement future. We can create your LLC here at Blue Diamond Documents to meet your custodian's requirements. We will provide you with the operating agreement. That's what they're going to require at the custodian. We will provide you with the education you need to feel comfortable with your new LLC. It's important that we give you this comfort level of how to take checkbook control, how to manage this LLC, to know what the rules are. We here at Blue Diamond Documents want to educate you and help you understand exactly what you can and cannot do. Today is the day you take back the control of your retirement future. We have relationships with custodians that will allow a checkbook control LLC for your IRA. If you need a referral and someone that will allow you to do this, a custodian that will allow you to do this, we have relationships with those custodians. Visit our website at www.bluediamonddocs.com, and we will get the information that is required in order for you to take checkbook control. Or email me at tim@bluediamonddocs.com. Again, our website is bluediamonddocs.com, and my email address is tim@bluediamonddocs.com. Thanks for listening, everybody, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.